It's the last day of the heatwave for Gauteng and parts of Limpopo, with cloudy and wet weather moving in over the eastern part of South Africa on Wednesday. We're expecting thunderstorms over the majority of the interior on Wednesday and Thursday. On our satellite, you'll see a strong band of thunderstorms extend across the country on Monday, with the push of moisture bringing in cloudy weather over the southern part of South Africa, with the possibility of light rain on Tuesday. You'll see a cold front moving through the Eastern Cape, with thundershowers forming ahead of that, particularly over the Free State and the Eastern Cape on Tuesday morning. Light rain is forecast for KwaZulu-Natal, and you'll already see a bit of cumulus cloud developments over the northern interior. There's a high fire danger warning over the central interior on Tuesday, with an advisory for heatwave conditions for Gauteng and the western bushveld of Limpopo. Fine and hot weather continues over the northwestern part of South Africa, with the possibility of light rain over the southern part. A band of thundershowers extends across the country and all the way through to Mpumalanga, mostly cloudy with a 60% chance of thunderstorms, many for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Our rainfall probability map shows a 60% chance of rainfall over the southern part of the Western Cape, with scattered thunderstorms mainly for KwaZulu-Natal, parts of the Eastern Cape, the Free State and Mpumalanga, with that band of isolated thundershowers extending diagonally across South Africa, but also extending through to Mpumalanga, and we're expecting a small chance of thundershowers into Gauteng much later on in the day. Strong southeasterly winds are forecast for Cape Town, with a moderate southerly onshore wind along the east coast, and you'll see light winds over much of South Africa's interior. Temperatures remain sizzling hot in the northeast, 38 degrees for Pretoria, Mahikeng at 37, and Johannesburg and Bloemfontein both at 34 degrees. A cooler day in the Eastern Cape, mild for Port Elizabeth and George, both at 23 degrees, 24 for Bishu and East London, and we're expecting a warm Tuesday afternoon for Cape Town at 28 degrees. Now you'll see mostly cloudy weather for Durban, and we've already had reports of light rainfall. A maximum temperature of 26 is forecast here, with a light southerly breeze, and with that onshore wind continuing through to Tuesday night, we can expect cloudy weather to continue, with the possibility of thundershowers in the evening, and overnight we're expecting a minimum temperature of 22 degrees. Cloudy and wet weather settles in over the eastern part of South Africa on Wednesday, with a cooler day over the northeastern part. You'll see scattered thundershowers over the central and northeastern part of South Africa, with a few isolated thundershowers as we head towards the northern Cape. Dry as we head further west though, and that continues all the way through to Thursday, where you'll see thundershowers over the majority of the interior and another cloudy and wet day over the extreme eastern parts. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.